you do me like Joanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jo and I'm back with another video. So today this video will be all about me glowing up. Well, it's actually gonna be more than one day, so it's gonna be like a process, obviously. But New Jersey's kind of opening back up post-COVID, like day by day, like more things are opening up. Their beauty supply store is open. Nail salons are gonna be opening soon. European Wax Center, everything's like opening slowly. So I thought it's time for me to glow up and get out of this quarantine bumness that I've been in. So my hair is a mess, obviously, as of right now. But I'm about to go to the beauty supply store and get some hair. Because tomorrow my sister's doing my hair. She's doing knotless braids. I'm so happy. I haven't been to the beauty supply store in so long. So the color I got, it's like, hold on, let me take it out. Okay. So it's a 1B and then it goes into 30. And I need more color in my life. So I thought this is actually pretty nice. And I'm excited for how it's going to look. My hair looks crazy. It does. Obviously you guys saw how out and crazy it was earlier today. Anyway, before I get my hair done, obviously I gotta take care of it and give it some tender loving care before I get it done. So I'm gonna use the Aztec Indian clay mask, which I mixed in here. That all over my hair. I leave it in my hair for like 30 minutes or 40, I don't know, depends how lazy I get. And then I'm going to wash my hair and then I'll be all set to do my hair for tomorrow, to get my hair done tomorrow. My hair is all clayed up. Yeah, it's all clayed up. And like some pieces are kind of like straight and aren't like as curled as they're meant to be. But oh well, I think that's fine. I think that's just how my hair, how dry my hair was beforehand. Like this piece was just straight as hell. Just how dry my hair was and how like I combed it out or whatever. So I'm not completely worried, but it's like 10:43 p.m. I should have washed my hair a hell of a lot earlier, but around 11:15 I'll be washing this out and I'll be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It's definitely a color switch up because usually it's always all black. So now this is 30 at the end, so I'm kind of going into a little bit more blondish and it is butt length and I love it. We're getting our nails done with pedicures. We're ready. Are you ready to get glowed up?
I need my hair done. I need my nails done. My toes are barely anything, so the sun is so bright. Oh my God.
It is. Well, I need my toes done. I'm also getting my eyebrows waxed, but my sister and Guy aren't getting their eyebrows waxed. And my hair is already done. You guys know that. And then my nails, I don't think I'm gonna get them done anytime soon. So you know. So I realized I forgot to show y'all what my eyebrows looked like after I got my pedicure and eyebrows done like 2 days ago. So this is what they look like. Ooh, wait, that's a little bright. So they look like this eyebrow, it just doesn't have an arch. I don't know, it's been a rough quarantine, so like sis did the best that she could. I like this side a little bit better and I usually hate this side, but it's what they look like. Ooh, and my skin actually is looking really good right here, but you see there's some like pimples and everything, so I'm gonna have a TLC skincare day coming soon. Y'all, I'm finally getting a Brazilian. This is my first Brazilian in like 6 months, and oh my gosh, I'm not ready, but I'm ready. I don't know, my pain tolerance is gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be a little iffy. I just know it, I feel it, but we're doing this. I need to get it done, get over with. Y'all, I survived. It was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. My tolerance is still pretty much the same, so that goes for that part of the glow up transformation. But I'm gonna show you what I got. I usually don't buy the products, but like my wax specialist, she's so like convincing that I feel like, I don't feel like I have to get products, but I always low-key end up getting products. Let's put my phone here. So it came in this little European Wax Center bag, and I got the travel size essentials, and it's in this like cute little makeup bag. Basically it is, yeah, it's their 3 products. It is their Slow It body wash, Slow It body lotion, and then a hair growth serum and grown hair serum, whatever. I have the wipes for these that actually really help, so I'm just gonna try these out because these are like whatchamacallit, these are smaller sizes of their big bottles, and it's only $25. So I was like, let me try using these, see if I like these before like I recommit to buying the big bottles. So yeah, now when I get home, I'm gonna do my skincare routine and do a mask and everything, so I haven't done that in so long, and my skin desperately needs it. Okay, so of course a glow up isn't anything without a bomb ass shower. So I'll be using this Dove body wash. It's a deep moisture one, and honestly I love this so much. It really moisturizes my skin, and it just smells so like clean, like a baby's butt or whatever. And then I'll also be shaving like my armpits a little bit and maybe my legs, I don't know. And that's what I'm gonna be doing my shower. I would usually exfoliate, but I exfoliated my body yesterday, so I don't want to like over exfoliate my body, whatever. So before I start like washing my face and everything, I'm gonna prep my mask because I'm doing the Indian healing clay mask, and I just like to do it before I start washing my face. Cause I feel like it's inconvenience like midway through washing my face. I start making this mask and my face is all dry. Let's hope I make it right, because like I just always either put too much water or too much mask. I feel like I'm wasting it. Okay, this is what it looks like. I hope it's enough. I either always make too much. Yeah, I usually always make too much. The only time I ever do too little is when I also put this in my hair. Hopefully this is enough. If not, I guess I can make more. But I think putting the apple cider vinegar in first was a smart move, so I'll put that to the side for now. First, we cleanse. I won't say all my products, because you guys are used to these products. I've seen these products like 1 billion and one times, so I'm just not gonna mention them. Exfoliating. I was gonna use a mask applicator to apply the mask, but I kind of like using my hand, so I just might have made too much, y'all. Just by how, like, I don't know. Just by how foamy this is, I feel like I might have made too much again. This is definitely the least I have ever made in like one sitting. Yeah. I definitely made too much. I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu lavender spray. I don't know if it actually does anything by like spraying it on my face, but after this is done, I think I'm gonna stop using the spray. I heard like some bad reviews about their spray, but I had already bought it when I heard the bad reviews, like restock. So, you know, we're just gonna finish this and then find something else to use on my face. Next, I'll be using the e.l.f. Antioxidant Booster Drops. I've had this for almost half a year and I'm really trying to get rid of it. I also don't know if this does anything or not, but I've been using it. Also, you're not supposed to put the dropper to your skin because of bacteria and such. So I've stopped doing that. I finally got a moisturizer, and it's the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. My skin is like the weird type where it's combination, but like if I don't put anything on after I wash it, it's really dry, like dry as hell. But if I put stuff on after I wash it, it gets oily. But it was gonna be oily regardless, but when I put nothing on it, it really gets dry. Part of the glow up is obviously doing your makeup, so I'm currently doing my makeup. I'm actually doing this and getting ready, in part for a shoot, but in part for this glow up video. So there's that. I'm trying to do a cut crease, but I don't think it's going well. But you know, we're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this look nice. You feel me? This glow up gotta turn out right. This makeup look for a photo shoot gotta turn out right. So we're just gonna do the best that we can do. Okay? This is the finished makeup look. I don't really know how well it looks because I really can't see it because I don't have my contacts there. I forgot to bring my contacts. But it looks good. I don't know. The lashes are pretty, but like they're too out. I don't know. I think I should have worn the lashes I wore the other day. I feel like the lashes are more straight than out, so I feel like it just doesn't look as good. So I'm like low-key upset I don't have my contacts. I feel like not having my contacts low-key made my mood all upset. And the eyeshadow just wasn't, I don't know, I think I did something weird with it. But you know, this is the beat. Then we're gonna do the fit, and I'm gonna show y'all the end result of this summer glow up. Y'all, I'm horrible. So yes, this is me hours later after I beat my face and everything, and I'm about to like take a shower, take off my makeup, and I realized I forgot to show y'all the full fit, like where I took my photo shoot pictures in. So I'm so sorry for that, for the final glow up. So I'll be posting videos and pictures here of the photo shoot and like what I look like with the full-on fit. I'm sorry, y'all. I just really honestly truthfully forgot. It was so hot outside and I just forgot to record it. So hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna insert them all right here. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Give it to them. Give it to them.